welcome back to my channel. This is Utrefon. In today's video I want to show you how to make a powerful juice that is very good for your health, that will give you a lot of benefits. It's very good for health. So here I have my cucumber. I'm gonna use 2 cucumber, and I have my apple and my beetroot. So this is beetroot, so which I'm going to combine all of this to make juice, which is very good. Sometimes it's good for you to just make a good juice and just drink to detox everything in your body. So I think this juice is very beneficial for health. It's very high in fiber, and it has vitamin and mineral. It has vitamin B9, which make it very powerful for our health. So for someone who is pregnant, so this is very good for the person. And it has potassium, it has magnesium, also it has iron, it has vitamin C. So it has antioxidant. So this fruit that you see, this beetroot, is very beneficial. If you've not used it before, just give it a try. This is very good. So right now I'm going to show you how to make all this. So the first thing I'm going to do is wash So I just cut all of them to put on my blender. So right now, as you see, I have put in my blender. So I'm gonna blend this. I'll put water. Let's go and blend it. So we are finished blending our juice. As you can see, the color has changed. So right now, I'm just going to filter it to get the juice out. So guys, as you can see, I've finished with the juice. So let's serve it now. So this is how it came out. This juice is very beneficial and it tastes very nice, very delicious. So if you've not tried before, just kindly give it a try and leave a comment below and tell me how you make your own. So cheers, let's drink. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. I hope this video is helpful. If you know this video is helpful, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. And kindly share this video also. You don't know who you may help. Thank you so much for watching. If you know you want to lose weight, if you are interested of losing weight, I'm going to leave a link in the description below, so you kindly click on the link and get a discount through this link if you know you want to lose weight. And this supplement really works. It works. I can guarantee you 100% it works. So if you know you want to lose weight, I think this is a great opportunity for you to take a chance and click on this link. It will take you to a website which you can purchase this product. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye. Love you all.